So Jude's doing an oil change. Actually, that's pretty cool that someone put a little extra foam under there to keep it from vibrating. 14 Chevy Express with an exhaust leak. Very common that the flange bolts snap and the gasket goes bad. So you could service this either way. Knock out the studs. They're pressed into the flange on this side. And then replace the gasket and nut and bolt it. We're not going to beat on these flanges and have all that fun. We're going to cut this out, weld a sleeve in. I'm just curious how many people have paid for a new muffler and tail when it could have been fixed with a simple flange repair. Let me know. And look at that. Oh, yeah. Everybody thinks you're getting rich when you're changing oil. You're only getting dirty.